Claude Code just got Anthropic API compatibility through Ollama. That means you can now run it with the local models. So why OpenCode got 95,000 stars and 2.5 million developers still choosing to use it instead? OpenCode connects directly to 75 AI providers. No middleware required. Same terminal workflow, native integrations, and full control. Let me show you Claude Code and OpenCode and when each makes sense. Before we dive in, I'm V, founder of Agentic Lab. OpenCode has been the fastest growing coding agent on GitHub. It overtook Claude Code in stars last month. I've tested both setups, and I'll show you exactly when OpenCode makes sense, when a Claude Code wins, and how to decide for your team. OpenCode is a terminal-based AI coding agent. If you've used Claude Code, the experience is almost identical. You open it in your project folder, describe what you want, and it reads your code base, write codes, run commands, and iterates until job is done. So what's the difference? OpenCode is not locked to one provider. You can plug in Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, or even a local model running on your laptop. It has the same interface, same workflow, but different brain. And if you're already paying for Claude Pro or Max, you can authenticate OpenCode with your existing subscription. No extra cost for the tool itself. It supports 75 AI providers. And that's not the future inflation. That's insurance against a vendor lock-in. When OpenAI changes pricing or Claude introduces usage caps, you can switch providers without changing your workflow. Now, full disclosure, Ollama version 0.14 added Anthropic API compatibility. That means the Claude Code can now run with the local open source models. I did a video review last week, and I'll put a link on the screen. So the Claude Code is locked to Anthropic argument. That's only half true now, because you can run against local models. But there is a difference. OpenCode connects directly to providers. It's only one config and done. Claude Code needs Ollama running as a middleware. For a quick local test, fine. For a team deploying across multiple cloud providers, OpenCode native integration still wins. So, step 1, you install OpenCode. One command in your terminal and it works. If you're on Windows, you can download the install. That's it. No middleware, no services running in the background. Step 2, add your API key. Run OpenCode config, pick your provider and paste your key. For the step 3, let's use it. I'll navigate your project folder and I'll run OpenCode. I'll ask it to write a function that validates an email address. It's the same task I showed in the code Claude last week with OpenLlama running locally. So here's where consultancies should pay attention. Both tools now offer local first options. For regulated industries, legal, healthcare, both can now work. But OpenCode's simpler architecture means fewer moving parts to audit. You control the data pipeline without any intermediary layers. OpenCode gives you 3 interfaces. Number 1 is terminal, and this is the core experience. It's a fast, keyboard-driven, built by people who know what efficiency looks like. Number 2 is the desktop app. It's now beta for macOS, Windows, and Linux. And if you're not comfortable with the terminal, this removes some of that friction. And number 3 is the VS Code extension. If you live in your integrated development environment, OpenCode meets you there. There are also built-in agents. The build agent has a full access for the development work. Plan agent is a read-only agent for analysis and code exploration. General agent is a sub-agent for complex searches and multi-step tasks. And Explore agent is designed to navigate code bases and answer questions without making any file changes. You're not just getting one workflow, you're getting a role-specific agents that match how your team actually works. OpenCode also offers something called Zen. Zen is a curated gateway to AI models. The OpenCode team benchmarks specific model providers for combinations and exposes only the one that actually work well for coding agents. Why does this matter? The same model can perform differently depending on how it's served. Zen removes that guesswork. You go pay as you go for $20 and you just top up when and how you need to use it. There's no subscriptions involved. You pay only for what you use and you test multiple models and you scale when it works. Let's talk numbers. Claude Code is a 17 to 100 pounds per month per user or API cost. Claude Code plus Ollama is a zero tool cost, zero model cost, just your hardware. OpenCode, it's a free tool and you only pay for chosen model. And you can of course run it against a local model as well. The cost difference only matters when you're using cloud models. For a 30-person consultancy with the 5 developers and cloud models, for Claude Code subscription, you're looking at £510 per month minimum. OpenCode with the Claude Pro gives you about £110 per month for the same team. OpenCode with the Zen, You only pay for what you use, variable but often lower depending on the intensity of your development work. The real question isn't cost, it's whether you want a native multi-provider support or you're happy with Ollama as your gateway, or you have a zero lock-in, privacy-first approach. So when does OpenCode make sense over Claude Code? Choose OpenCode if you want direct multi-provider support without a middleware, if you're switching between the cloud providers frequently, if you want OpenCode Zen curated benchmarks model gateway, and of course if your team values community-driven rapid iteration software. Choose Claude Code if you want Anthropic official vendor-supported tool, complex reasoning with the Claude Sonnet or Opus is your priority, or you prefer polished UX over configuration flexibility. Choose Claude Code plus Ollama if you want a Claude Code interface with the local model privacy. If you're already running Ollama infrastructure, or you want to test the local coding agents before committing to subscription. My honest answer, all three paths now work. You pick based on your team's priorities. Now a reality check. OpenCode is a community maintained. If something breaks, you're relying on GitHub issues and the community support. There's no vendor SLAs. Claude Code has Anthropic behind it. That's a meaningful difference if uptime is a business critical. Now, OpenCode also requires more setup. You're choosing providers, you're managing multiple API keys, you also have configuration, authentication, and limited reporting. OpenCode isn't for everyone. Neither is the Claude Code plus Ollama. But if you are running a consultancy, if you are not sure which AI coding tools fits your team, that's exactly where we can help. We offer a free AI readiness assessment. It only takes 5 minutes to complete, no pitch, just clarity on where your AI fits your delivery workflow. Link in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe as I break down AI tools for consultancies every week. And I'll see you in the next one.